Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Looking at this morning's surface analysis chart, we do have a dry cold front that has since slipped offshore and passed through the area last night, and any of the lingering high clouds that we saw earlier this morning are continuing to fade and dissipate as that high pressure continues to build in. As a result, we can expect a mostly sunny day today, seasonable in temperatures with lower humidity and a northwesterly breeze that will come in lighter than yesterday, but definitely still gusty at times, as we have just issued a wind advisory. And tonight we'll see those winds start to come down. Our skies will continue to be clear in nature, and we'll see those lows fall into the 30s or the low 40s. And then Friday and Saturday should stay dry and under that high pressure, and we'll see a warm front Saturday afternoon that will work to turn our winds out of the southwest, and that should bump our highs into the 60s on Saturday. And we'll also see those clouds start to build in as we work into Saturday night and a cold front approaches with only a real light shower risk, and most of those showers do look to remain north of the local area. As that front then moves through on Sunday morning, we'll see Sunday turn warm and breezy with highs in the mid-60s, and then early next week will turn a bit cooler with our highs in the low to mid-50s and our lows coming in the 30s and 40s, with another weak front that looks to come through on Tuesday, bringing some low-end chances of light rain once again. Now, moving on to the 24-hour forecast here, we do have that light cloud cover that is currently dissipating. As mentioned earlier, those clouds do look to be in the upper levels and on their way out, clearing for the majority of the day into the overnight and early morning hours of tomorrow. Temperatures do look to climb into the mid to upper 50s this afternoon, with our lows potentially dropping into the 30s overnight tonight. And our winds are on the rise as of right now and anticipated to continue being gusty for the next couple hours until we start to see those winds trend downwards as we move into the later afternoon and to those overnight hours, in which winds look to come in around 5 to 10 knots and gust occasionally into the mid-teens. And as mentioned earlier, we have just issued a wind advisory. Taking a look at the next few days here and associated risks. On Friday, we can see partly cloudy conditions with a high of 57. Friday night, turning mostly cloudy with those clouds building in and a low of 44. And Saturday, clouds fully have moved into the area at that time and a high of 60, with a good chance of a wind advisory as we move into the weekend. Looking at these next 7 days ahead, we'll see those mostly sunny skies today. Clouds will slowly start building in on Friday into Saturday, on which we will see some light rain chances, though they do look to remain low at this time. And we'll see clearing behind that frontal passage, Sunday and Monday being mostly sunny, and then we'll see those clouds start to build back in Tuesday and into Wednesday when we see our next rain chance move through. As for our temperatures, they do look to remain in the upper 50s, mid to upper 50s, and sometimes occasionally breaking into the 60s, with Sunday being the warmest day ahead, and then we see a cool down following Sunday, with our lows following suit. Tonight being a chilly evening, and Sunday or Saturday night being the warmest of the week ahead. And then we see those temperatures trend downwards from there, with temperatures also breaking into the 30s occasionally as we move to the late end of the period ahead. That is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather brief. Hope everyone has a great day.